Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be explaining to you everything that you need to know about the BTC20 node offering and why being a node holder is so important. In the Bitcoin blockchain, they have something like 100,000 nodes. That gives it true decentralization, true transparency, and true security. The purpose of a node is to process every single transaction. So every transaction that happens on the Bitcoin blockchain is processed by dozens and dozens and dozens of different nodes to confirm the transaction and to guarantee accuracy before it goes onto the blockchain. Once that transaction is on the blockchain, it cannot be altered in any way. And that's why blockchains are such a secure environment. And it's no different for the BTC20 blockchain. We are only just over a year old. So we currently only have maybe 3,000 nodes in our ecosystem. So there is a long way to go before we match the power of Bitcoin. But nodes are selling every day. Now, a node is currently priced at $27,000. The price of that is going to go up to $54,000 because the price and value of BTCC is increasing, and that obviously is intrinsic to the value of the node. But you know, not everybody has got $27,000 or $54,000 kicking around to be able to buy a node for themselves. And that is exactly why I've decided to put together a node syndicate, giving lots of people the ability to come together and buy shares in a node and be able to benefit from being a part node holder and to receive BTCC every single month without having to harvest. To follow is a recording I made of a Zoom that I did this weekend where Dennis, my top leader, is going to be going through all of the details of exactly what a node is, why a node is important, and how you can benefit from being a syndicate member. If you decide that you would like to be a syndicate member, then all you need to do is message me on Telegram. I'll give you my WhatsApp details and we will add you into my WhatsApp group. You just let us know how many shares you would like. So let's not delay any longer. Enjoy the recording and I look forward to welcoming you as a syndicate member very soon. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, so for this video, I will go through what is the node, why node is important, and how are we going to be profitable becoming a node owner. And also, of course, since most of you are now, I don't think most of you are part of the syndicate or not yet part of the syndicate that we are doing. We are doing a syndicate for the node so that we'll be able to, buy at least one node for us to be able to maximize the profit of that. And we are doing this because we want to help everyone in the community. We want to help them to something that, because sometimes they don't know that node is one of the most powerful part of the blockchain. And also that's, I can say, the heart and soul of the blockchain. So I will give you some points of view, some understanding. But of course, if you want to learn more about nodes, of course, internet is there. AI is there. They can answer everything that you need to ask about nodes. I'm just going to give you some overview why it is important and why do we need to have more nodes rather than having just one node in our blockchain. So that's something that I really always emphasize when we are discussing these nodes, because it's something that most people don't understand, that yeah, I just become a node because I just wanted to earn and doesn't know everything about how it works and how it's going to be beneficial to you. So at least in this video, okay, if you are going to watch the replay or just going to watch the replay, okay, please be attentive. At least write, take out some notes. It's very important to at least understand it, get some notes, write it down. And then if you have questions, okay, if this will be uploaded in a YouTube or any platform, comment below, and then of course we will try to answer your questions as soon as possible. If you're connected with the team, course, you will be part of the group, then you can easily ask the questions. To everyone here in the Zoom, of course, you can ask your question later. So let me share you my screen. And before I start, I should be able to play our disclaimer.
General disclaimer. Welcome to this official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 3.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis and are active participants in all products they are presenting. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general and not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide information and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone, so we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing to view this presentation. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing an Affiliate Marketing 3.0 official presentation. All products and services, their component parts and operating methods and systems, either provided by or created by Affiliate Marketing 3.0, belong solely to Affiliate Marketing 3.0. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing, or reselling any Affiliate Marketing 3.0 product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming, or social media sharing of Affiliate Marketing 3.0 presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may also lead to legal consequences.
Okay. So before I start, I just like to let you know who I am. Of course, to those who are going to watch the video new here in the community. So my name is Dennis Miras. Okay, so I am the one, or we, and also with Joe, are facilitating the node syndicate. That of course we will give you the explanation later before the end of the presentation, so that you'll be able to know why it's really beneficial, and because we have to understand why node is also important in our system. So if you don't understand Bitcoin code, so Bitcoin code is our mother token or mother coin. Okay, so we are doing mining of the token. Okay, but of course also we have the blockchain, and within the blockchain it requires nodes. Okay, if you will remember, or if you will look at the study, of course, or you will go to the internet, every blockchain, I think there are around over 30,000 blockchains around the world right now are working. Every blockchain has nodes, and that's why our blockchain, which is an EVM compliant as well, of course, which is the BTC20 smart chain, is also requiring nodes. Because why? So remember that Bitcoin code also is the exact replica, or uh, copied whole system of the Bitcoin from the 21 million supply, the halving every 4 years, and the whole 9 yards. And of course, with that, it's just not just that system, because it requires nodes. Bitcoin has over 80,000 nodes. Correct me if I'm wrong. You can do the research as well. Okay, so that you understand that why Bitcoin is so powerful. It's so fully decentralized. Okay, so that's something that we need to understand, why our blockchain BTC20 smart chain also needs some nodes, and we will unravel the crucial roles of the nodes in the blockchain in our ecosystem. So at least you understand that it's not just okay running a node, becoming a node owner, or anyone who wants to be a node owner that can understand that, yeah, you have the ability to help out our ecosystem to becoming one of the secure, or one of the most decentralized system that we have. Okay, so to start with, Okay, we give you the introduction of the blockchain nodes. So, in a vast landscape of blockchain, nodes are the backbone to support the entire ecosystem. They facilitate communications, ensure security, and maintain the integrity of the decentralized network. So, understanding their role is crucial by grasping how the blockchain technology operates. So, very, very important. See, now that we all know at this point now that we all know that nodes is something that is really important, including the security, the communication with the blockchain, and everything. So, what are the blockchain nodes that we need to know? So nodes are individual computers that participate in the blockchain network. They store a copy of the ledger, validate the transactions, and share data with other nodes. So each node plays a unique role, contributing to the resilience and decentralization of the system. So just remember, I've been telling you we are running a syndicate for the node because nodes is not a cheap one to acquire or to buy. It's not cheap, so that's why we as a team, try to buy nodes for us to be able to help us also as well, not just the ecosystem, but of course as well as the community by getting the benefits of being a node owner. So it's a form of individual computers. I mentioned to you, Bitcoin has over 80,000 nodes. Right now, BTC 20 smart chains, probably I can say we are over 1,000 nodes now. Okay, we are just beginning. We are just starting. Our blockchain is just over a year old of age. And remember, if you will know from the beginning that mining Bitcoin will take 100 years before it runs out the total supply. And imagine, like I tell you also, that Bitcoin code is the same replica of Bitcoin. So that means we are going to have at least 140 years of mining. So that means 140 years in mining and in running of blockchains and beyond. It doesn't mean that when we already mine the whole supply of Bitcoin code or our token, that means that the blockchain will stop running already. Okay, so our blockchain is going to be one of the most powerful blockchain in the world probably, and then of course we have the cheapest uh, gas fee as well in the entire blockchain ecosystem, probably that I can say for over 1,000. So we are one of that. So that is amazing. That is amazing. Features that our blockchain has right now. And then of course, yeah, being a node owner is something also unique, and you will be able to get that, grasp the value of that you're going to do that for when we do it later and giving you the numbers. So there are types of nodes. Okay, so the types of nodes are full nodes, light nodes, and mining nodes. So each has a specific function, from validating and relaying transactions to mining new blocks, ensuring the network efficiency. Okay, I'm not going to discuss each nodes. At least you know that there is not only one type of nodes. At least we all know that there are different nodes that are working around a blockchain ecosystem. So we are doing the same. Every blockchain are doing the same because they know they wanted to make sure all the security, the transparency, and everything inside the blockchain and how efficient the network will works. Okay. Then, of course, how nodes work in a blockchain network. So let's give you an idea. We will not elaborate as well, but nodes communicate to propagate transactions across the network. Each node validates transactions, ensuring the double spending and fraud. So nodes reach consensus to agree on the valid state of the blockchain. So imagine if there is only a single node that's going to validate all the transaction. Definitely, it like, you know someone can do the breach or someone can tamper that because there's only one node. But if you have multiple nodes across the networks, that means your network is secure. So that is something that fraud or someone wanted to tamper the system is very, very impossible. So yes, it's amazing to know that nodes has to be implemented in any blockchain, so that at least you know your transaction are always secure, and you don't have to worry about uh, getting your transaction being hacked or used in a fraud. Okay, so why are nodes important? So decentralization is one part why nodes is important. So nodes ensures no central authority controls the blockchain. Yeah, this is what I'm saying earlier. So imagine that the government wanted to try to access every transactions in the blockchain. That would never happen. That would never happen because we all know that that's why it's called decentralization. That means nobody can stop the transaction and everything. That's why the government is really, really eager. Probably they are creating their own way, creating all the laws as possible for us, for them to be able to penetrate the blockchain system. But I think that would never happen. Not even as the smallest closest that they can get. Okay, security. So nodes protects the network by verifying transaction and ensuring data's integrity. Security, one of the most important part that we need to be aware of. We all know that if your even if your bank is not secured, your credit card is not secured, we all worry, right? We all worry that our data may have been breached and anything. So that's why if the more nodes we have, the more nodes that are implemented in an ecosystem, you are more secure. So that's why, again, as an example, Bitcoin blockchain is one of the most secure blockchain right now because that's has so many nodes inside of it. Consensus, okay, of course, nodes participate in reaching consensus mechanisms such as proof of work or proof of system. So there's something that everything needs a proof, right? Every one of us is looking for a proof of something, but right now this is what nodes will do so that we'll be able to verify all the transactions that we have done in the blockchain. Of course, the benefits of the nodes in the blockchain. So what are those? So resilience and redundancy. Okay, more nodes, more copies of data, less risk of failure. So imagine if you have if BTC20 Smart Chain reaches out to like 100,000 nodes, then probably again, like I tell you, you don't have to worry anything at all now. So everything is going to be secure on every assets that you have will going to be secure inside our blockchain. Immutability. So once validated, no node can alter the blockchain history. Well, I've been repeating this all the time. No one can tamper, no one can manipulate every transaction that we have inside the blockchain. Transparency. Anyone can access the node, can verify the transaction history. This is one of the most I think important process that every uh, account holder or wallet holders has been asking. Okay, because if there is a transparency, that means you don't have to worry about anyone hiding something behind something. In governments, well, I can say in every governments, there are a lot of hidden agenda in it. There's a lot of, even in the banks, I believe, there are a lot of hidden agendas. Why they are not giving us higher percentage of interest rate or anything. They can give us higher interest rates in loan, but they will never give you interest rates higher when you deposited the money, right? What are they hiding? What are they trying to achieve in their for hiding some data with their own clients? But with the blockchain, okay, with the power of the nodes, everything is like, you can see it there, it's there, and now you can sleep at night. Let's say, okay, there's nothing going on, just behind it. Everything is clear in my sight. Yeah, that makes sense. And then, yes, this is the most important part, the security. Okay. So why nodes are very important in blockchain security? Because prevention of double spending. Okay. So you don't have to worry about sending more and more. At least, probably if you send it more, that means you need to pay twice. But in reality, once you send it to the blockchain, that means that's it. So nodes can check the transaction to ensure each coin can only be spent once. Tamper resistant. If a block is altered, all subsequent blocks would need to be recalculated, making tampering very impractical. So yeah, this is something again that we know, that we remember. Again, security, 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 and then our data. Well, we all know that data, a person's data right now is the most important asset right now in the world. That is the most important asset right now. The next one is of course whatever assets you have, and if you are if you are aware that your data is always secure every time, then uh, you cannot worry anything at all. Encryption. Okay, nodes are cryptographic algorithms to ensure that the data privacy and security. So encryption, no one can just read your data from anywhere else. Okay, unless otherwise you given them permission to. Okay, you give them your wallet address. Of course, they can know that this data is open. But other than that, it is all encrypted. That's the reason why also government cannot do anything while the transaction is already made in the blockchain, because it's encrypted. If you don't give them the key, they will not know. Even if you have $1 billion worth of any tokens in your wallet, as long as your wallet is decentralized, no one knows that. Only you, because it is encrypted. Something that is the most powerful thing that you can say with yourself that this is my asset. No one can take it from me. Okay, so of course, with all the things that people are getting clever and clever in doing things to take your assets. So with the security, Joe and me, giving out the security training as well, so that you'll be able to understand that giving out the key, especially in your house or in your car, if you give it to someone, that means you are simply giving out your assets. Okay, so something that you need to remember. So security, this is a long topic. I don't have to dive in this, but of course I just wanted to make sure that everyone listening here make sure that every time they have their own decentralized wallet, make sure that you are the only one or the trusted person that has that key. And then that's it. Okay. So that's something that always you have to put in mind. Write it down in your notes for you to remember as well. And then the importance of nodes in distribution. Okay. So we can distribute more with the distributed more nodes. So the greater the security, the higher the decentralization and the resistance of attacks. So that means even if the most clever person, I mean the most intelligent hacker, they did not succeed. The only thing that they are going to do, is create a bot or a virus that probably can attack one person only. I mean, still, if you give them the authority to put that in your account or in your wallet, it's still you. That means you still decided. But generally, generally speaking, no one can do that. Okay. So as an example, so a blockchain with many nodes with different regions is harder to attack or manipulate. That's why imagine we have nodes in Australia, New Zealand, United States, Europe, everywhere in the Europe, Asia. Imagine how would you able to hack that nodes with a different location, different time zone. That's which is something really amazing. Okay, so future of blockchain nodes. Okay, so the blockchain technology evolves, and the roles of nodes will continue to expand. Innovations such as sharding and layer 2 solutions aim to enhance node performance and making them more efficient and capable of handling increased transaction volumes. So the more nodes, I mean, if we have over a million community already in our company, imagine that the transaction that we're going to get if we are just using a node or just 2 nodes or 10 nodes. What when we if we have more nodes, that means every increase of volumes of transactions, it's you don't have to worry about anything at all. Okay, so there's a real world application of nodes. Okay, so nodes are essentials in various real world applications such as cryptocurrency, which that's why we have our Bitcoin code. Okay, the supply chain management, identity verifications. So their ability to ensure trust and transparency makes them invaluable across industries, driving wider adoption of blockchain. So imagine even companies now are going to decentralization, just like what we are now. We are moving to a decentralized autonomous organization. Okay, that is something really amazing. So that's why WAS is, I think WAS is gone now. We are now affiliate marketing 3.0 because of the decentralization that we are going to. Okay. So, conclusion, the node network. So in conclusion, the nodes are the heart. Okay. I can say this is not just the heart and soul of the blockchain ecosystem. So this will enable communications, security, and of course the decentralization. I can say, I think, since the financial system right now of the world is going to be on the decentralization, I cannot say it will be 100% working in the next 5, 10, 20 years, but I can assure you that the evolution will happen. No one can stop that. So that means we are going to be in a decentralized world sooner than you know. Okay? So understanding their roles and functionalities is crucial for anyone looking to grasp the complexities of blockchain technology and its future. So yes, so that's the way we know that, basic understanding of nodes. If you want to dive in more on it, of course, do your own due diligence. You can research on the internet. You can ask AI. You can ask ChatGPT. You can ask Perplexity. There are a lot of AI tools right now that you can be able to uh, search everything about the nodes itself. All that I have given you is just the basic, informations, at least, that you understand that why nodes is very important, especially that we have our own blockchain. Okay, so now we are going to tackle now what is going to be the benefits of uh, being a node owner, especially why do we need to have to do a syndicate, of course, because having a syndicate is like you buy a stocks. You have a company, you go to the stock markets, you buy some stocks, and then of course you just get a part of it, and then of course you get benefit on it. So it's something that is really amazing that every one of us is going to be beneficial with when BTCC is going to be out there in the market. Imagine Bitcoin reach $108,000 all-time high. And Bitcoin Code now has already reached or attained or achieved $174 all-time high in just over a year. So we are going to get more Bitcoin Code as we become a node owner. So let me share you my Excel sheet so that you understand uh, why we are going to be beneficial if you just had $100 being part of the node owner. But of course, before I go to that, I just wanted to do some, give me a second, whiteboard to show you why. Okay, to explain to you how this is going to be operated, and how are we facilitating the nodes. Okay, so with nodes, okay, where is my? Can you see my screen now? Anyone? Hello. Can you see my screen?
Hello.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. We can see your white screen. Sorry.
Okay. 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 So with the nodes this time, okay, I will show you that nodes if you are going to be a node owner or part of the syndicate, okay? Oh, that's good writing, okay? So, you will not earn dollars here, okay? You will not going to earn dollars. You are going to earn BTCC, okay? So, BTCC, like I mentioned to you, all-time high is 174. See, this is our ways of going to earn, okay? But before you become a node owner, before we can have a nodes, okay, we need to have a computer, okay? So we need to have one laptop or one desktop, probably that is running with a 4-core CPU, okay? At least this is the minimum requirements. 4-core CPU, okay, 8 gig of memory, 8 gig of memory, and then of course at least 50 GB of hard drives or SSD drives or whatever the drives available on your machines right now. So since we are in the technology is evolving, like I mentioned to you, SSD now is what is called, before that is HDD or the hard disk drive. Okay, so this is where we come in. Okay, me and Joe will come in. Why? Because me and Joe is going to run the nodes with our computer in our laptop. So that means you don't have to worry getting a laptop unless otherwise you want to buy a node for yourself. Okay? So before the price of the node is $27,000. Okay? This is before. Now the price is $54,000. Okay? So if you have $54,000, then I'll be happy to give you an specifications of machine that you can buy as well. Of course, that's additional. You have to buy the machine, or if you have existing, that can do. Okay? But of course, it's very important to you to know that you need to have a machine. You will not be able to run a node without the machine. You seen it in the presentation. Nodes are computers. Okay? So that means something that you have to remember. 54,000. You said, oh my, I won't be able to buy that if I'm going to have $54,000, right? I don't have $54,000. I'm not saying everyone here has doesn't have $54,000. What I'm saying here is this is the requirements. And then what's going to happen, okay? So we run the syndicate so that at least we are be able to help out other peoples that you wanted to help to become a node owners and earn BTCC. Okay, I can say for lifetime. But why would I say lifetime? Okay, so our BTCC will be mined in the next 140 years, and I'm pretty sure 2 generations already has gone, and we haven't reached that 140 years. So probably myself with Joe probably would live at least 50 more years. Okay, that would be the longest if we are given a chance, right? So any one of us in here. So that means at least for a lifetime. When I say a lifetime also as well, remember that the 21 million supply of Bitcoin code, after it's being mined, that doesn't mean that the blockchain will stop running and the node will stop running as well. So that means this is a lifetime achievement. And we are doing a syndicate for $100 only. Imagine you don't have to worry about anything. You just have to pay $100 and then receive your BTCC. Okay? We are in the rules of sending it every month to you, to your wallet. And then who knows? Imagine if Bitcoin code achieved just 1/8 of the success of Bitcoin. We are sitting on the sideline before. Remember, we are sitting on the sideline. We watch Bitcoin grows high and high and high. When it was launched, we can afford it, but we don't buy because we don't believe. And then eventually, when the price goes up, we start to believe, but the price is not affordable. And now, how would you afford $108,000 Bitcoin right now, right? So the only thing you need to do is, buy a portion of it, but with this will still help. Eventually when Bitcoin will be able to reach at least 500 million, or sorry, $500,000 or $1 million. Imagine. And then of course you will get, like, if you buy $10,000 worth of Bitcoin, and then it makes something like, probably it would reach 50,000, something like that. It's still a big one. But imagine, when we are not going to sit and we are going to start collecting Bitcoin code because of the node. So that means if we become a node owner, you are collecting Bitcoin code. And then after what? Let's say 4 years, the first halving, right? That's something that is really amazing to hear. Okay, so I will share you the Excel sheet now, so that at least you'll be able to understand what I'm saying about these numbers. So these numbers is really important because we are doing only $100. I mean, how much you can earn with your $100, one time. I mean, one time for a lifetime. One time for a lifetime. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This is also not a financial advice, but at least you'll be able to understand that there is something huge going on, especially in the affiliate marketing 3.0 right now. Okay, so let me share you my screen by stopping my whiteboard. So, a second. Oh, so what happened? Stop. There you go. Okay. Share again. Share. Okay, can you see my screen now? Yeah, I hope so. Okay,
Yes.
cool. Okay, now, okay. So this is the Excel sheet. Probably you're wondering what are the numbers in here. Okay, what are the numbers? So these are all example only. Okay, there is no guaranteed. There is no assurance that this is what you're going to get. I'm just going to give you example, at least for you to understand why $100 is going to be something beneficial for us, rather than putting it in a bank, and even if it sits there for 10 years, when you open your bank, it's still $100. Okay, but here with the nodes, at least you will understand that $100 might grow to some, probably hundreds and thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars eventually in the next years. And of course, you can give it to your next generation, your grandchildren, grandchildren, that they can benefit as well with your $100. So that's why it's amazing. Okay. So right now, like I mentioned to you, okay, let me annotate so that you'll be able to get clear. Okay. So right now, the price of node is going to be $54,000. Okay. So $54,000. Do you think this is achievable? Of course. Yeah, this is achievable. Why? Because we are going to collect it like $100 per person. Okay, I'm not saying it's just a compliment, a compulsory $100 per person. Okay, anyone can get multiple hundred of dollars of slots, and then of course you get multiple hundred of dollars uh, shared, of course, as well. So this will the amount of profit that we're going to get here are divided equally. Okay, so let's start with this. So if we start with $54,000, that means we have a 540 slots. Okay, that's 540 slots that we need. So what we'll be able to buy the $54,000. So 540. Okay. So what would be the return? That's the most important one, because you are going to invest $100 and you don't know the return. That is something that we need to understand. So what is the return? The return is 182% per year. Okay? Remember the word per year. Okay? So the next 140 years, you are earning 182% annually on your $100. Okay, how is this going to work? Okay, so with this $54,000, this is going to be based on the price that is of the price of the BTCC. Okay, the number of the number of BTCC that we're going to earn will be based on the price that was given to the BTCC when the node is being offered. So right now, the price of the BTCC is locked in to $150. That's why it has increased. Before, with the $27,000 cost of the node before it was offered on this price, it's only $75. Okay, so right now it's $150 locked in price. Okay, so what will happen? Okay, what will happen is if you multiply $54,000 with 182%, you'll get $98,000. So if you are a sole owner, you buy $54,000, you have $54,000, then eventually in a year, you will get 98,200 every year. But that is because of the lock price of $150. Okay? So just want you to remember, this is just the way I understand it. Okay? If you have more better understanding on the nodes on how this is computed, let me know. I will be standing to be corrected if it's happening. But this is just the example that I know of, that I understand. Okay? So 98,000. But again, this is not going to be the number by itself. Okay? Why? Because it will depend on the price of the BTCC. Why? Because we are not going to earn dollar here. I mentioned to you earlier, we are not going to earn dollar here. We're going to earn Bitcoin code. Okay. BTCC is the token that we are going to earn for our $100. Okay. BTCC. So every year, if you are a sole owner of a node, you have a computer running, and then you have one node, you bought it for $54,000, you'll get approximately 655 BTCC. Okay? 655 BTCC. And then of course, this is the monthly, and then this is the daily that you're going to get for buying $54,000 nodes. And now, let's go with the syndicate computation. Since we are going to go with the syndicate, that means we need to form a community that going to give us the total of $54,000 with 540 slots. So what will happen? Okay, so that means in a year, okay, let's say you buy 100,000. Sorry, 100,000. I've been getting excited with 100,000 now. Okay, so let's say you're going to invest $100. Okay, just $100. You don't have to force yourself if you cannot. $100. How much will you earn in 1 year? So this is your first year earning, 182. Why? Remember, we have a 182% yield. So what is 182% of 100? That is $182. This $182 is worth, okay, of BTCC, okay, of BTCC. This is not in dollar, this is in BTCC, okay, worth of BTCC according to the price of $150 lock-in. Okay, so that means in 1 year, you will be able to get a profit of $82. Okay, $82. And then once you earn that, so that means you are already risk-free. When you say risk-free, that means because of course you get your money back already. You get extra. Imagine if your bank, you put your $100 on the bank, will it earn $82 in a year? Will it? Anyone can type the chat. Will it? Do you believe it will earn you $82 in a year? Don't think so. So that means, okay, so simple. So every year, your $100, every year, your $100 is going to earn 1.2 Bitcoin code. So this is simple. This is just the number that you're going to earn. Okay? Multiply this to one by $150. That means you'll get $182. Or just a monthly of 0.1. Okay? And then of course, this is the daily. Okay? This is the beauty of the cryptocurrency, no? You can tear it apart, tear it to very small pieces, but you can still sell it, you can still own it. Okay? That's how powerful the cryptocurrency is still as well. If you don't understand cryptocurrency by now. Okay? So something that you need to see, 1.2 a month. Sorry, a year. And this 1.2 a year will go along for the next 140 years and beyond. Okay? Para lang I can remember the the tagline of the Toy Story. Uh that is, I think, who is the Toy Story character?
Buzz
Uh,
Lightyear.
Buzz
To
Lightyear.
infinity and beyond.
Yeah, that's right. So that's 140 years and beyond. Okay, so yeah. So that is something that you have to think of. Imagine your $100 will earn 1.2 a year for the rest of your life. And then for the rest of the life of your children. And then for the rest of the lives of your grandchildren. And they are going to be benefiting just because you decided to invest $100 in a node, becoming a node owner. Okay? Something that is, I can say, I couldn't explain it anymore. I have no words. I think I mentioned all the words that can be said just for $100. So now let's give it a small computation for you for better understanding. Okay? If you can see down here, okay? So let's say the price of BTCC is $150 in the first year. That means we all know that cryptocurrency is volatile. So it should go up, it should go down, go up, it go down, go up, go up, go down. Okay? But the average cost or the average price of BTCC per the first year is just 150. So that means definitely you will earn $182 in the first year. Okay. Now on the second year, okay? A lot of people are mining, a lot of people understand the power of crypto. A lot of the people of the community understand that BTCC is going to be the next Bitcoin, the evolution of Bitcoin. Then what would you expect by the next year? How much price is going to be with Bitcoin Code? Anyone can guess what would be the price of Bitcoin Code by the next year? Anyone? Okay, let's see. Who is this? Okay, 650. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, remember, we are just in an all-time high of 174 and growing. So let's say the 650 requested by Sabine. Okay. Imagine on the second year, Bitcoin code went up to 650. That means, okay, you are going to have an increase of at least 6x of your first income. I don't think it's 6x. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Do the math for me if I'm correct me if I'm wrong with this number. But this is something. Imagine this is pure. Remember, this is going to be pure profit because you already got your $82 profit on the first year. So $788 as an increase for your second year of becoming a node owner. Just for what? How much? $100. So that means with your $100 on your second year, that is almost 8x. This is almost 8x of your $100 increase from your profit. Now, okay, more and more people are aware now with Bitcoin. More and more people now are, dealing with Bitcoin code because they mined a lot of Bitcoin code. And then, of course, there are a lot of projects that was put in our blockchain. Now, The nodes are getting more transaction. Nodes are getting grower and everything. And now it would affect the price of BTCC. What about on the third year? What would you guess the price of the Bitcoin code on the third year? Give me an example, and then we can have a look. Say anything? Anyone? Okay. Oh, you can chat on the chat type on the chat box if you wanted to. But let's say, okay, let's say, let's say, at the third year, it doesn't work well. Doesn't work well. Okay, let's make it let's make a hypothetical example that, because not everything goes well, right? In life, everything is not going to happen as you expected. Okay, so let's say that Bitcoin code falls back to $75. Okay, $75. Still, don't ever uh tell to yourself, it's going to be a waste. It's going to be nothing. Why? Because you only earn, you feel this, you feel devastated, you feel frustrated because you only earn $91 in 1 year. Are you going to be disappointed? Isn't it that it is better to be grateful that you still earned? Because remember, you already got your capital, your investment. So this means, this means another pure profit. $91 is something. If you are in the first world country, probably this is small, but with other countries, this is going to be like heaven and earth to them that they earned this big amount of money. Okay, we are not always in the same situation, so we have to understand that every situation, this $91 is going to be big to to others, which is something also good because they decided to invest that $100 of themselves 3 years ago. Then they earned that $91 in 1 year. That's going to be very, very big. Can you please share the Excel sheet, this spreadsheet with us? Yes, Adri, we can share it with you later. Okay. So now, this is the most exciting part. Okay, this is the most exciting part. Who here remembers when Joe discussed about the price of Bitcoin after the halving years? Who remembered the price of Bitcoin after the first halving year? Imagine, okay? When Bitcoin was priced at the beginning of point 0.09 or 9 cents, okay? Imagine, what do you remember when Bitcoin priced is reached on the first halving years, okay? It shoot up like rocket, okay? It shoot up like rocket. Imagine it becomes, I believe it's around $120 from 9 cents after halving years. Now I'm telling you, okay? I'm telling you, we Bitcoin Code also have halving years. So that means if you have halving years, that means we are the same with Bitcoin. Now halving, that means we are mining right now Bitcoin Code at the rate of 7,200 for 24 hours. If it's getting to be half, that means we are going to get only 3,600 for the next 4 years. So that means if Bitcoin shoot up the price from 9 cents to 120, and like I mentioned to you, we already have a $174 all-time high, what would be the halving effect to us? Okay? So let's say, the price of Bitcoin, a Bitcoin code on the next halving would be how much? Can you guess, anyone? What if, let's just put it $1,000. Is it, do you believe this is realistic? Sorry. $1,000 for after halving? Is this realistic? Yeah, I believe so. I am very optimistic that it's going to go, and not just $1,000. I believe it's going to be $5,000. But let's be realistic. So imagine in the first 4 years, how much do you earn in total? Okay? In the first 4 years, your $100 grow to what? 22x. Okay? 22 times. Diba? Yeah, you can see this. Just the first 4 years of your $100. So this is really powerful because you now understand that becoming a node owner, becoming a part of a node, okay, just like what we are doing here as a syndicate, because I know we here in the community, we can help more and more people in this community because of this. Okay? Because of this. So imagine that you have your $100, you sacrifice for $100. Probably I know some in some country $100 is like $1 million, but you sacrifice something, and then eventually what would be the return? Okay, this is all just hypothetical example. I'm just saying to you that these are all potentials, and no one can beat the belief. Me and Joe probably. What would be the Bitcoin code in the next 4 years, or in the next 8 years, or in the next 20 years? Bitcoin is just 15 years old, and imagine the $108,000. $108,000. What would you imagine right now if Bitcoin code followed the exact roadmap of Bitcoin? Imagine that. Imagine how powerful it is for us. Okay? So basically, that's something. Okay? So if you are going to be a sole node owner, okay, this is the computation for you. A simple, small computation. If you are a sole node owner, okay, uh, this is something that is not correct. Let me correct uh the computation of this to B26. B26, where are you? Okay. And C6. Where is C6? Yeah, it's still the same. Okay, yeah, it's correct. It's a correct computation. So imagine this. Okay, so if you are a sole node owner, okay, so let's say because this $75 is just because based on the old price. So let's say if we do it for 150, okay, so this is what you get. Okay, this is what you get. Now, okay, this is based on the $54,000. Okay, so this one, so 150, because remember this is the lock price. Okay, I show you the lock price of 150. So this is the lock price. So this is the start of the price of BTCC when we bought the node for $54,000. So that means in 1 year, okay, you get your uh profit. You subtract your $54,000, and then that's your totally your profit. Now on the second year, let's say Bitcoin code goes down to $100, but still, okay, remember that this is 100% profit already. And then on the third year, it becomes $300, let's say. Then you get again another solid profit. This is just purely profit. An increase of like almost triple, almost 3x on the third year. And then after the halving years, okay? This hypothetical example is really something that you need to understand. This is powerful. We already attained 174. Why would you believe that it will not attain 300? Okay? Or it will not go to $1,000. I'm looking forward to see Bitcoin code achieving like at least 1/4 of the achievement of Bitcoin in the next 10 years or in the next 15 years. Imagine 1/4 of the achievement of Bitcoin. Okay? So this is something that really you have to see why your $100 going to be more beneficial. And imagine also, remember, me and Joe is going to run the nodes for you. We are going to distribute your profit for you. Okay? So that means The only question here is, of course, are we a trusted persons? Okay, we are over 100 community now as a node owners right now. Right now, over 100 people already here, almost 130 people, and they are happy. They are happy with what we are doing. So if you are listening right now, if you still in doubt or anything that you're thinking, reach out to us, message in the comment or in any social media that you will find us. Then we will be happy to assist you, because we want to help you. We want to do something that we all know that something this going to be uh, creating a generational wealth for you just by investing $100. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for watching. I know this is kind of a little long conversation with just a little long explanation, but I wanted to make you understand that this is going to be your ticket to probably or potentially the financial freedom that you are looking for in the next few years. So thank you so much again. And if you have any more questions, let's do the questions. Everyone here on the Zoom, if you are watching the replay, of course, reach out, comment to the section below, and then we will reach out to you and anything as possible, anytime as possible.
Okay, so there it is. Dennis has done an amazing job explaining everything that you need to know about the importance of nodes and the numbers in and around being a syndicate member. So if you decide that you'd like to be a syndicate member, all you need to do is reach out to me on Telegram, and then we'll give you the details to join our WhatsApp group and let us know how many shares you would like. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.